On this video, we're going to talk about factoring, difference of squares. So let's talk about quantity a plus b times quantity a minus b. When you multiply this out, you will get a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared. And notice the middle terms cancel out. So we end up getting a squared minus b squared. So in other words, if we factor a squared minus b squared, we will get a plus b times a minus b. And this is the main concept of factoring differences of squares. Let's take a look at some examples. We have x squared minus 49. These two are differences of squares. And what is the square root of x squared? It's x. And what's the square root of 49? 7. So it's going to be x plus 7 times x minus 9. Remember, a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. The order doesn't matter. You could also say quantity a minus b times quantity a plus b. So x squared minus 49 is differences of square, and the factors are x plus 7, x minus 7. What about 16 minus 9x squared? It's going to be square root of 16, which is 4, plus square root of 9x squared. It's going to be 3x, and 4 minus 3x. And of course, you could check your answer by foiling or multiplying this out and see if you get 16 minus 9x squared. What about 81x squared minus 49y squared? Are these differences of squares? It is. Square root of 81x squared is 9x. And square root of 49y squared is 7y. So it's going to be 9x plus 7y. And then 9x minus 7y. What about 25x squared plus 16? Is this 5x plus 4 times 5x minus 4? Unfortunately, it's not. Because why? Notice, there's a plus. This is not a difference of squares. This is sum of squares. So unfortunately, we cannot factor this. And the common mistake is a lot of times students think this is 5x plus 4 and 5x plus 4. But when you multiply this out, you get 25x squared plus 40x plus 16. So sum of squares, you cannot factor.